I have seen a lot of people get approved for the Overstock credit card. Somebody was even able to get approved for $4,000 using the shopping cart trick with Overstock. Now, be very careful with them though, because some people have said they got a hard inquiry when they got approved for the credit card with Overstock. Now, when I say that people got that hard inquiry, it's because when you guys get that pop up using Overstock, um, they're going to ask for your full social security number. Like they're asking for all your digits, you guys. So when they ask for all of your full social security number, then there's a great chance that you guys can actually get a hard inquiry. I have heard some people actually put in 3 zeros and then 2 zeros, and then they put the last 4 digits social security number in. I'm not telling you guys to do that. I'm just telling you that's what I heard some people do. When I go through the internet and I read certain comments, I've heard, I read some people actually done that, and then they didn't get that hard inquiry. But be very careful, because Overstock is definitely going to ask for your full social, but it can be very much worth it if you guys can actually get approved for it, especially for those people that have poor credit. It's very worth it to